Hope your week's doing great. Here's the best moments from... I have a question for you.
Oh, yeah?
Ever ka ba nagparinig sa akin?
Parinig. What do you mean?
Yeah. Are you the type? Are you the type to, if you want to tell me something, you're gonna tell me like, paslay under the table, or like, oh, you know, my friend, ganito, ganyan. Or are you the type to just tell me bluntly?
Ikaw parinig.
Or are
Ako
you
hindi.
are you the type na won't tell me anything at all? I think you're the third.
I think if there was parinig sa atin, ikaw yun eh. Yung mga planting a seed, mga ganyan.
Like what?
Like whatever it is, whether it's for Scotty,
I
whether
tell you
it's for
kaya
me.
straight up. I'm like, oh, you do this, but you don't do this na.
Yeah,
Straight.
but no, but sa'yo is like, I'll plant a seed. I'll plant a seed with Scotty na para ano.
With Scotty, kasi
No, with-
naman
with
he
like a
doesn't
lot of
understand
people.
a lot of the concepts that if I tell him straight, hindi niya magets. But if I plant the seed as early as now,
See?
he'll get it.
No, but that's
But do you know, in the context
yes,
of
even,
love.
I think even if with me, meron ka pa rin mga parinig.
Be, like
parinig.
what? Sample.
I don't know, but I know naman
wala.
may pasubtle ka na parinig.
Wala talaga. I'm so
Meron.
blunt with you.
I think meron.
Well,
Like-
okay, like in the, for example,
Like
in
if you feel like I'm using my phone a lot, you're gonna do like a little parinig
what?
on like I don't know, you're gonna talk about like, oy, alam mo ba yung mga people that are using their phones a lot, ganyan.
No, I tell you straight, stop
No.
using your phone.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
I do.
No, you don't.
Or I just ignore you and then I tell you like 3 days later. I'm like, you know what, you're using your phone too much.
No.
Yeah.
You do that. Of course you do that. But
Yeah.
you only do that pag grabe na. But
Pag hindi na daw
Pag
nag-work
hindi,
yung mga parinig.
parinig,
Kasi hindi
yes.
nga ako nagparinig, so hindi mo siya
kasi
narinig.
if pinaparinig mo ko, hindi ko talaga i-consider yun.
See, because I don't do it. So it doesn't count. Because it doesn't happen.
Okay.
How about you, love, in your past relationships?
In my past relationships, I never really like parinig. I feel like it's detrimental. I feel like it's underhanded in a way
It's
where
kind of
it's
like manipulating.
it's insulting to my intelligence, I feel.
Kung parinig.
Oh.
So nag-insulto pala ako sa'yo when I tell you to...
And it's insulting to the person that you are nagpaparinig
So
ka.
you feel that I'm insulting you?
No,
Because nagparinig ako sa'yo when hindi naman talaga.
well, in a way, yes, but hindi naman siya ganyan ka na level. But I would say, bakit mo pa ba ipaparinig na kaya mo namang straight? Maybe the message sender hindi nila kaya.
Yes.
Hindi nila kayang sabihin straight up.
Oo.
So, sa akin, like, even when I'm dealing with a lot of issues when it comes to work.
Yeah, but this is in the context of
No,
love.
no,
my
no,
love.
what I'm saying. Ay, lagaw nga. But, so I can relate it to work in such a way wherein, like, for example, if something needs to be done, instead of, kayo talaga, ito talagang bahay na to, hindi talaga nalilinis. Whatever. Parang, instead of doing that, di ba parang insulting siya in a way if you do that. Na, instead of just saying, can we just clean up here and make sure everything, like, this is done a certain way, this is done a certain way,
I
that
don't
is
find it insulting because you're taking it as an offense.
Yes.
You're not looking at it sa perspective of the person saying it. Nga, maybe nga, hindi na kaya sabihin. I do that kasi to like, sometimes the staff natin. Kasi hindi ko kaya maging straight. Feeling ko mas nakaka-insulto to them if I'm straight. For example, sasabihin ko, like, let's just say, for example, yung sinabi mo about cleaning. Uy, ang dumi-dumi na ng kitchen. Example lang. I don't think that's insulting. Kasi I'll say,
Yeah.
di ka talaga naglinis, oh, or di mo talaga to nilinis. Can you clean it?
Hindi naman. Hindi,
It's still,
yeah,
mas direct yun, mas masakit yun. Kasi, uy, it's so dirty here. Why is it so dirty? Ganyan lang. And then I'll help pa-clean. That's me. But I don't think it's a bad thing and there's no intention of...
No, because that's not
Insulting.
you. The parinig I'm thinking about is like your other example, but worse. Like parang, hay, itong bahay na to, hindi talaga nalilinis. Ako na lang palagi. Diba? May mga ganyan. May mga parents na, I have to clean up. Or ano ba, saan ba yung mga tao dito? Ako na lang palagi yung naglilinis. Parinig is okay when it comes to innocent things and but if it's like a thing that is boiling and matagal ka mo nang kinikim-kim and it's like a heavy item, it should be dealt with upfront.
Upfront and treading lightly.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sa akin, the way I think about it, if it's something serious enough that you lose sleep over, dire-diretso talaga. To be fair with your partner.
Yes. Because you may, you can cheek at your girlfriends na, oh my gosh, my husband or my boyfriend is so dense, nagparinig na ko, ilang times, di pa rin niya gets. It's not fair eh. Kasi baka your parinig skills suck.
Oh.
Ay baka iba talaga yung iniisip niya, yung wavelength niya nasa sports car or whatever, nasa work, tapos yung wavelength mo nasa iba, so you're making parinig, pero iba kasi yung iniisip niya, so di mag-jive. You know what I mean? Yeah. It doesn't
Okay lang yun sa pa-cute-cute. Okay lang yun sa mga, hey, anong ginagawa mo today? What you doing?
Parinig ba yun? What you
Yung
doing?
yung mga, tapos, ang saya siguro, no, na magkasama tayo. Yung mga ganyan-ganyan.
Tapos may, hehe,
Hehe.
hihi.
Hehe, papunta ako ng mall. Malapit lang sa bahay ninyo yung mall.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganyan.
I don't think
Pero
there's
ang sa
anything
totoo,
wrong
ang
with
layo
that.
pala ng
I think that's
sinadya.
actually cute. And I think that's, parang a fun thing about relationships. But when it comes to serious matters nga, better to be upfront, I feel.
Of course.
So never ka na parinig sa akin. Ever.
It's against my grain.
Love, parang ang ganda ng Ferrari na red. Mga ganun parinig. I'm like, blocked.
Well, I never did this. Pero in that context, let's say for example, ganyan. It's very easy for the person that doesn't agree with you. Like for example, ayaw mo talaga ako bilhan ng Ferrari na red. So, pwede mo talaga okay, that's nice.
Ang ganda nga. Dream on.
Dream ko talaga, love eh.
Okay, good for you. Have a nice dream.
Yeah, it can easily be brushed off. So if it's nothing serious, okay lang siya, innocent lang siya.
For me, Slater, your personality, you're very straightforward and very blunt. So mahaba yung pasensya mo, pero once it's something that bothers you, you'll go right ahead and say it, like attack mode. So medyo minsan nakaka-hurt ng feelings kasi syempre, it's hard to swallow the tough pills, it's hard to see yourself na, ganito pala ako, nakakala ko I was all okay. Pero wala ka talagang parinig bone in your body.
It's not parinig, it's more like feeling out sometimes. Na parang, for example, ikaw, like ngayon you're thinking about buying a camera, an expensive camera. Let's say, for example. And then, sasabihin mo sa akin na, love, ano tingin mo atong camera na to? So, it's not like parinig na parang, in a way na, parang you're feeling out if I'm okay with spending that money or ganyan. If susuportahan ba kita
That's
sa
what
decision
you do to
mo.
me.
Hindi naman.
That's what you do to me now, I know. See, hindi ko rin na-gets eh. Hindi ko rin
No,
na-gets.
like for example, a car. So
Yeah.
sabihin ko sa'yo, what do you think of this car? It's more of like asking an opinion and feeling out. But hindi siya parinig na parang, I wish may bibilhin ako ng kotse. Or, I hope makakabili tayo ng mahal na kotse. Hindi naman ganyan. Like parang, I just want to get to feel out if you're okay with this or not. Kasi hindi siya big deal for me.
Hindi siya parinig kung ganun. It's just a normal conversation.
Pero it's kind of parinig. Di ba kasi dati when we were young and we asked for our parents' permission, let's say for example, an overnight somewhere. Like, di ba, parang it's kind of parinig but it's also kind of feeling out if okay ba si mama o si papa na, Dad, alam mo, nagpa-plan sila ng
Beach
beach
outing.
outing sila cousins ko. Na parang, makikita mo yung reaction ng dad mo. Na parang, okay. Ay, ikaw, sasama ka ba? Pag ganyan yung reaction, oh yes, pwede.
Yeah.
Pag hindi, iba naman, din parang, ay, ano kaya yung cambio ko? Iba na naman yung cambio ko. Parang ganyan. So, I don't know if that's considered parinig o hindi.
I wouldn't classify it as parinig. But in the context of love, I'm thinking about, if nagparinig ba ako before in my previous relationships? Probably, I don't know. Basta now, ang learning ko is, it doesn't work. Guys are dense. Di nila magets. You shouldn't take offense if
Wow.
they don't get it. It's just because iba lang talaga yung wavelength. Diba? There's just so many expectations kasi na kailangan ganito, kailangan ganyan. You see on social media, guys doing this for the girlfriend, blah, blah, blah. We compare. it's putting so much pressure on the relationship. Nagparinig tayo, di pa rin nag-gets, nag-away kami. All of these things. So, I think
Yep.
with guys, it's better to just say it up front. Parinig doesn't work. And even vice versa, di rin siya nag-work when you make parinig to me. Yeah. That's my takeaway.
Well, yeah. So, in conclusion,
In conclusion,
parinig only when it's cute.